प्रतिभागी आरवीएस रेड्डी कहते हैं ये प्रयास इन लोगों द्वारा लगाया गया एक शानदार प्रयास। आज हम जिस तरह से जीते हैं, हम अपनी जीवन शैली को बहुत सुस्त और गतिहीन बना लेते हैं। जीवन का सक्रिय हिस्सा खत्म हो गया है और दैनिक व्यायाम भी खत्म हो गए हैं। इस प्रयास को सबसे बड़ा उद्देश्य जीवन के उस सक्रिय हिस्से को लोगों में लाना और सक्रिय है।
After I come back to Hyderabad from 2005 onwards, when 10K and then NMDC runs, I've been part of that, and then as part of the Jagan's group, came into the Jagan group some time back, about 6 years back, and from then onwards we've been participating across Mumbai Marathon, Delhi Marathon, and all these places. So this effort is a stupendous effort brought up by these people, and it wants to promote an active lifestyle, especially like Sir said. The way we are living today, the way we are molding our lifestyle is become very lethargic, very slow moving. That active part of the life is gone. The daily exercises have gone. So the major aim of this effort is to bring that active part of the life into the people, and then make them moving, and make them active. And though the NMDC Hyderabad or Airtel marathons have been there, but the district level is something very, very important to bring it up. They're all happening on a random level, but Telangana Runners aims to bring all of them under one umbrella and keep conducting in a professional and in a very, very template based runs, so that everyone can participate, both the people who can run on time, those people who wants to have a fun, everyone including the ladies and the children can also participate from all the districts of Telangana, and make this a very, very, very celebrated event year after year. So I'm very happy to be part of this effort this year, and I'm wishing everyone, all the runners, I think more than 3,000 runners have registered. I see more than 2,000 people actively on the road today. It's a very, very happy moment for everyone in Hyderabad and people who travel from outside Hyderabad. Thank you.